If your LG TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi or the connection keeps dropping even though your internet is working fine, then stick around because I'm going to show you a couple of simple steps you can try to fix this problem. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more tutorials just like this one. The first solution is to fully restart both your LG TV and your Wi-Fi router. So go ahead and turn your TV off, unplug it from the wall, and leave it like that for around 20 to 30 seconds. This drains all the leftover power from the TV and resets the built-in Wi-Fi module. While you're doing that, restart your router as well by unplugging it for a few seconds, and then plug everything back in. Once your TV power's back on, try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. A simple restart like this usually fixes temporary network glitches. The second step is to forget your Wi-Fi network inside the TV settings and then reconnect to it. So let's open the settings on your LG TV and then click on the little Wi-Fi icon in order to open all of our available networks. Tap on your Wi-Fi name and choose Forget Network. After that, select your Wi-Fi again, type in your password, and reconnect normally. If your saved network profile was corrupted, resetting it like this usually stops the random disconnects. Fix number 3 is to turn off a feature called Quick Start Plus, because this option causes Wi-Fi issues on a lot of LG TVs. Let's go back into All Settings, then open General, Devices, TV Management, and you'll see Quick Start Plus. Make sure this switch is turned off. When Quick Start Plus is enabled, the TV never fully shuts down. It stays in a low power mode, and the Wi-Fi module doesn't get a fresh reset. This can cause your TV to connect for a little bit and then disconnect again. Turning this off forces the TV to do a clean startup every time, which usually gives you a more stable Wi-Fi connection. Another thing you want to check is your date, time, and location settings. Open Settings, General, System, and make sure the time zone, date, and country are all set correctly. If these settings are wrong, your TV can have trouble connecting to different services or maintaining a stable connection. And the last step you can try, if nothing else has worked so far, is a full factory reset. Before you do this, just keep in mind that a factory reset will remove all of your apps, sign-ins, Wi-Fi settings, and any custom picture or sound adjustments you've made on your LG TV. So only use this option if none of the other steps worked. And be ready to set up your TV again from the beginning once the reset is complete. To do that, go to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. This will reset everything back to default and usually fixes deeper issues that affect the Wi-Fi connection on LG TVs. And that's pretty much it. Try these steps one by one, and your LG TV should connect to Wi-Fi normally again without disconnecting. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.